Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing something different. As you can see, we're on Duel Links. I'm just going to buy 10 packs and see what I get. Let's go. I'm going to turn the volume down a little bit. Let's see what we get. Woodland Sprite, High Tide on Fire Island, Element Saurus, not bad. Okay, let's see what we get in the second pack. Not bad. The card I am aiming to get is Meteor Black Dragon here. Hopefully this is something good. I see a ritual monster. Paladin of White Dragon. Now I just need a White Dragon ritual spell. Wadapon, the beginning of the end, and Sprite's Blessing. Okay. Manthro Tro, Bamboo Scrap, and Fusion Weapon. That'll be good with Jaden. Alright. Beginning of the end, Fairy King Truesdale, Elemental Mistress Doriato. Number 7, Magical Merchant, not bad. Raging Earth, meh. I got nothing crazy so far. Pixie Knight, Regin, and Micro Ray. Hopefully this will be something good considering this is happening. Bam! Meteor Dragon. I'm not sure if that's something I would want. Well, I didn't get the Meteor Black Dragon, but I still got Meteor Dragon, which is part of the fusion. And here's a little recap of every card that we've gotten so far. So we got Garlandolf, King of Destruction, Paladin of White Dragon, Common Charity, Element Saurus, Elemental Mistress Doriato, Fusion Weapon, Guardian Grarl, Micro Ray, Naturia Strawberry, Sprite's Blessing, Bamboo Scrap, Emblem of Awakening, 2 of them, Emissary of the Oasis, Fairy King's Truesdale, Furin Kazan, High Tide on Fire Island, Magical Merchant, Manthro Tro, Meteor Dragon, Mindless Radiant, Pixie Knight, Raging Earth, Rajin, 2 of them, Ray of Hope, 2 Beginning of the Ends, Wadapon, Woodland Sprite. So yeah, there we go. That's everything that I got. Okay guys, bye!